Let's take you behind the scenes so you can see how your metal roof comes together. At Rhino Roofs, we're proud to be the original metal roofing experts here on the Treasure Coast, fabricating and installing every panel in-house. So every Friday, our partners deliver fresh coils straight from the mill. We label and store them by lot number, so your entire roof is made from the same batch for perfect color matching. From your measurements, we create a cut list. Then our team shears, shapes, and custom builds every drip edge, valley, and trim piece to your exact specs. By fabricating everything ourselves, we cut out delays. No waiting on a third-party shop, no mismatched pieces, just fast, precise turnaround. When we start your project, all your materials are prepped and ready. That means we can tear off your old roof and install the new one. From our warehouse to your roof, we take pride in protecting your home.